So my darlings, here's what we're having for dinner tonight. As you can see, this is chicken breasts. There were actually 2 chicken breasts, and I just cut them, kind of butterflied them in half. And I saw this little recipe online. So we're going to take one of these brush things, and they brushed it with, this is just mayo and mustard. I put some coarse mustard and just regular mustard in there, and a little bit of pepper. And then I've got some cheese. They had cheese, garlic, and parsley, but I don't have any of that, so this is what I'm going to be stuffing the chicken with here in a minute. So I'll be right back. So we're back. So I took the mayo and mustard mixture, and I just brushed it on to the chicken here. And then I took some cheese. I did one here just to show you, and put the cheese down. And then I'm just going to roll these up. So I'm going to put the rest of the cheese down on these. And then I'm going to, this person did theirs in the oven. I'm going to do them in the air fryer. I think it's 400 for 30 minutes, but I'm going to put it on like a roast. Well, I know this doesn't look like much, but I'm just showing you, this is how, then you roll them up like this. And then they brushed more of the sauce on the top. And they didn't put Parmesan cheese on theirs, I don't believe, but I did. So I'm going to do that to the rest of them, and then put them in my air fryer. And then once they're done, I'll show them to you. So here's the end result, my darlings. This is the chicken. Kind of stuffed chicken that I saw a recipe online. And you could put more in your chicken than to roll it up. And I did a little bit of rice and some broccoli and cheese sauce. So this is what we're having for dinner tonight. Good. Well, at least I hope it's going to be good. Hope you're having a great one. So here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. I cooked some eggs for hubby. Well, I'm having eggs too. And some toast there. Well, those are crusts, but he likes the crusts. And then we had leftover rice, just plain rice. So I put that in the pan, and hubby had bought in this big, thick slice of ham. It's just one slice. It was a big slice. And I just chopped it up and put it in with the rice in the pan. And then I put some grated cheese over. So this is what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. And I'll show you, I guess it's called a ham steak by President's Choice. And it just came like that. That's the size of it there. So, good. I hope you're having a great night and having a great meal as well. So here's what we're having for dinner tonight. We're having Annie's 80% organic shells and real aged cheddar pasta. And I put a can of tuna in there. So here it is here. And I'm going to put it in a casserole dish, and I've got some grated cheese, and I crushed up some croutons, and then we're going to stick it in the oven. So we're making like a tuna casserole out of this. That's what's for dinner tonight. So here it is, ready to go into the oven. And yeah, I'll show you when it comes out. And here it is, my darlings. Like I said, here's what we're having for dinner tonight. A tuna casserole. Very easy. I kind of cheated a bit and used a box, sort of, and then I just added a can of tuna in there, and some grated cheese, and a little bit of croutons. Like if you don't have any bread croutons, if you have croutons, just crush them up and use them. That's a little tip. Probably already knew that though. Anyways, I got to get into it before it gets cold. Good. And here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. I made nachos again. So, it's actually, quite easy meal. I've already got a plate for hubby. He's already eating. It's a little time to just get your toppings and everything ready, whatever you want to put on it, because you can do several different toppings on your nachos, whatever you like. This time we got some avocado and some taco sauce. That's different. So, happy eatings. It's tater tots. It's tater tots. It's tater tots time. Get your tater tots today. Yummy tater tot. So my darlings, here's what we're having for dinner tonight. This is hubby's plate. I did up some tater tots. We got some avocado, some ham, eggs, and some toast there. And some cherry tomatoes. And this is what we're having for dinner tonight. Good. I hope you're all doing well and having a great night. So here's my dinner. What's for dinner? Oh, I can't wait to get into this. Good. At least I hope so. Looks good. And here's what I'm having for my lunch today, my darlings. Nothing new. I just made some tuna sandwiches. I love my pickles. I've already had some carrots, so that's why I'm 2 carrots there. But this is what I'm having for my lunch. Good. Let me know if you're a tuna fan or if you're not. Love to hear. May 5th is celebrated as Cinco de Mayo in many parts of Mexico and the United States. It commemorates the Mexican Army's victory over the French at the Battle of, I'm not sure how to say this, it's Puebla, in 1862. While a relatively minor holiday in Mexico, it's become a popular celebration of Mexican culture and heritage in the U.S., often involving parades, festivals, and traditional music and food. Is Cinco de Mayo a holiday in Canada? While it is not a national holiday, Canadians enjoy taking part in the celebrations with Mexican food, music, and dance. Similar to St. Patrick's Day, it's a chance for people of Mexican descent to celebrate their heritage and for Canadians of all backgrounds to join in the festivities. Come and join us for Cinco de Mayo night. Thank you for joining us, and as I said, happy Cinco de Mayo. Sorry if I'm saying it wrong. I don't mean to insult anybody. And I realize I'm showing you this new Taco Bell crunchy and soft taco kit here. You add your own protein and topping of choice, and the kit includes six soft tortillas, Taco Bell mild sauce, 6 crunchy taco shells, and taco seasoning. Let me know down below if you've tried this out yet, or if you've seen this around. And I realize they do like fish tacos and some other things for Cinco de Mayo, but come and join us, and I will show you our array of, I've like grated some cheese and chopped some tomatoes and did up some ground beef and some shrimp, and we got sour cream and hot sauce, like all the fixings, so I'll show that to you. So here is what's inside of the kit. There's your tortillas, there's your hard taco shells, there's the mild sauce, and then there's your taco seasoning. So you get those things in the kit. So I'm just using some ground beef that I got from Costco. We bought a big thing of ground beef from Costco, and I break them up into little sections and then freeze them. So have that, and then we're gonna put the Taco Bell original seasoning mix on the meat here. There's the seasoning on the mix. I'm probably not going to use the whole packet. I'm going to save, you could save some. You don't need all of it. I don't think. Maybe if you're doing it, like if you have a bigger family, it's just me and my husband. So if you have a bigger family, of course, you'll have to use the whole packet. But I had a few shrimp left over, so I thought I would cook those up. We can put those in some tacos. So here's our Taco Bell. Little Taco Bell bar. I grated my own cheese. I always do. It's great. It makes it fresh. Some lettuce there. Hot sauce, taco sauce. There's my shrimp. There's our ground beef. There's those from the kit. There's some sour cream and some tomatoes. So there is. Hopefully I'm not missing anything, but this is what we got. Here's one of the soft tortillas that I made up. I just heated the tortillas. I'm not going to grill it, I don't think. And then these are the tacos I made for hubby. The middle one's the shrimp, and the other two are the beef. So here's one of my soft tortillas. Oh my gosh, it's really good. I'm sorry I didn't show you all of them done up. Just kind of going as I go here. I did get one of my tacos came like that, taco shells. So I'll just make it like a little kind of pizza, I guess, on the top. So sorry about that, but you know, things are getting cold and I want to eat. So, and just FYI, hubby and I, when I show you what we have for dinner and lunches and stuff, we do eat the food. I know I don't really show you me eating it, but we do eat it. So take that, whether you want to believe me or not. But we don't waste food. We eat our food that we make. But this has been really good. I've enjoyed this. So this is kind of a taste test and a review of this Taco Bell crunchy and soft taco kit here. I would have to give it a 9 out of 10, which is, I think, you know, 10 I always is awesome, and then 1 not being so good. So I give it a 9 out of 10, and I would have given a 10 out of 10, but, and it's not Taco Bell's fault, but it's just, when you're trying to make it, trying to keep everything hot, it's a little hard, you know. But it was really good. I'm glad we tried this out. Let me know down below if you've tried this Taco Bell kit, and if you like tacos in general. Normally, my hubby and I, we do the burrito thing, and we haven't done tacos in like, I don't know how long, so I thought it would be fun to do this. Happy Cinco de Mayo to everybody out there. I know I'm not Mexican, but it's like St. Patrick's Day. I'm not Irish either, but you know, you pretend to be on those kind of days. And I have been to Mexico, and it was beautiful. Beautiful people, beautiful food, beautiful scenery. So, all in all, wonderful. So thank you. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you had a great, happy Cinco de Mayo day, and let me know if you celebrated it or not. I'd love to hear either way. Remember what I always tell you, my darlings. Remember to believe in yourself. I believe in you, and you truly will go far. Look at the ending of all of this. It's a mess, but it's a great mess. Thank you. Bye.